ITI Principle 7. Here are 10 questions, and out of which 4 time is 45 seconds. Now here we get set, go. Here is the first question. MRP in material management stands for A. Maximum retail price, B. Material resource planning, C. Material requirement planning, D. None of these. MRP in material management stands for material requirement planning, not resource. So the option is C. Second is dash 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 is the task of buying goods of the right quality in the right quantities. Right quality in the right quantities at the right time at the right price. A. Supplying, B. Scrutinizing, C. Surveying, D. Purchasing. Task of buying goods at right quantity, buying goods is purchasing. The option is D. Third is buying of annual requirements of an item during season is called A. Hand to mouth buying, B. Scheduled buying, C. Seasonal buying, D. Speculative buying. Hand to mouth ruled out, scheduled buying ruled out. The option remains are seasonal. Requirements of an item during its season. Annual requirements, buying of annual requirements is C. Seasonal buying or speculative buying. Now here is speculation. So the option goes for D. Speculative buying. Fourth is cotton waste used during the manufacturing process is A. Raw material, B. Direct material, C. Indirect material, D. Finished product. Cotton waste is not a raw material. Direct material, it is also not a direct material, and it's not a finished product also. Cotton waste is used for cleaning oil, etc., while at the time of work. So the option goes for indirect material, option C. Fifth, the transit time between work centers is A. Move time, B. Run time, C. Setup time, D. Wait time. It's not run time at the actual run process at the workstation is going on. Setup time is for sitting, etc. Wait is for that job is to be unloaded. So the option is move time, A. Sixth, dash 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 promotes skill development through partnership with private training providers. A. Polytechnics, B. Industrial training institutes, C. Janashikshan Sansthas, D. National Skill Development Corporation. Option A, B, C. Polytechnics, Industrial Training Institute, ITIs and Jan Shikshan Sansthas are little bit government type, while a National Skill Development Corporation partners with private training providers. So the option is D, National Skill Development Corporation. Which of these online portals offer online skill courses and assessments? First, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Second, Skill India. Third, Startup India. Fourth, Khelo India. One only, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Online portal for online skill courses and assessment. 1 and 2 only. Yes. PMKVY and Skill India. Yes. Startup India doesn't offer online courses. Startup is for that startups. And so the option is 1 and 2, not Khelo also. It's NEP 2020 has introduced flexible school curriculum. A 4 plus 6 plus 2, B 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, C 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5, D 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Instead of 4th standard, there will be 5th standard, and then afterwards you will be getting a 3 year in between, 6 to 8, and then afterwards 9, 10, 11. So the option is 9, 10, 11, and then afterwards you will get enrolled for graduation. The option is B, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. National Skill Development Policy was launched in 2003, B 2006, C. 2009, D. 2012. The correct option is C. 2009. National Skill Development Policy was launched in 2009. Here is our promote.me/Deshmukh Design GS. Different make it should be. 10th, decentralized dynamics of imparting vocational education is achieved through A. Imparting national skill development, B. State skill development missions, C. Both of above, D. None of above. Imparting national skill development is a centralization, it's a unicore, the center only. Though the decentralization is to be achieved not by both, but it will be opposed, it will be imparted through skill development corporations. Here we conclude the seventh stage correct are 10, and here we stand.